How to fix other story not showing on Instagram. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. First thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Try to switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi and check. Next thing you want to do is restart the Instagram app. So for that, you want to close the Instagram application completely. Once you have closed it, open the app switcher and swipe Instagram off of your screen. Then launch open Instagram again and check if the problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to update Instagram to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store, then search for Instagram. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now, you want to open your device settings, scroll down a bit and find the option of apps. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. Scroll down and find Instagram from here, then select it. Now find the option of storage. Here tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data and clear all the data of the Instagram app. After that, launch it open, log into your account and check if your problem is fixed. You also want to note that some Instagram accounts can be private. Stories from private accounts will only be visible to the followers, so make sure that you follow them. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.